Ravikiran from YouTube channel. Today topic is for PowerShell beginners, how to verify PowerShell version on the operating system, uh, to verify on the any of the operating system, which command we can use. Okay, and let's type get hyphen host. So it will show you the PowerShell version. So right now I'm using Windows 8 operating system. So the version is 4.0. It is built in. If you want to upgrade 4.0 to 5.0, you need to update Microsoft.NET Framework and the latest 5.0 patch. Okay, and you can have another command to verify the PowerShell version. $host, the same update information will be output will be visible. Okay, let's clear the window and let's go to another command. Suppose the basic information, if any operating system having limited commands will be installed based on the module. So it's a Windows 8. In Windows 8, default PowerShell commands is already installed. So to verify how many commands are there, you can type get hyphen command. This is the important command to verify the commands are available on this Windows 8 operating system. Just press enter. These are the functions, commandlets, all the visible. You want to count, it will take some time. So for verifying the information, you can type bracket get hyphen command, close the bracket and count. 1155 commands are there in Windows 8 default. If you want to install any Azure module or any AD modules, so again the count will be increased. So you need to just verify. This is the default commandlets are available on this Windows 8. Okay, and with the get command you can verify get command. You can verify the help also. I can type man get command, so it will show the help. So you can scroll and you can verify. So man is the help, get hyphen help, this is the alias name. So get hyphen command, the name of the command is get hyphen command. Symphony is a get all commands. Syntax is the get hyphen command, argument list, objects, list imported, module, everything. So from this description, you can verify the commandlet gets all commands that are installed on your computer, including commandlets and alias and functions, workflows, filters, scripts, and applications. The get command gets the command from window module and snap-in and commands that were imported from other sessions. To get only the commands that you have been imported into the current session, use the list imported parameter so that you'll get information. And if you want to get online information, you can have an online version also with the URL, and you can verify with the command also. Okay, let's starting into the other command. Let's verify with the which commands is related to um, useful for our Windows administrator. If you want to verify of any of the content, star, service, and star, so you'll get a with the name of service. So I'm getting get hyphen service, new hyphen service, and restart hyphen service, resume service, set and hyphen service, start service, stop. These are the commandlets and applications. We have services.exe, services.msc. This is the default A. So you can see built-in module functions, commandlets, and application. These three will be visible. So I want to verify the process. So you can verify with the process. So process, debug hyphen process, get hyphen process, start hyphen process, stop process, wait process, and queue process.exe. This is one application exe is there. So you can verify it like this. And if you want to verify the get hyphen service, you can type get hyphen service and press enter. It will show which services are running on this Windows 8 machine. You can verify the all the services, whether it is stop state or running state. It will display all. It will show the status, name, display name. So running, stop. So these two categories has been displayed, and name, Adobe ARM service, and like that all the names will be there. You can find the display name also. If you want to verify with the name, you can easily verify get hyphen. And before going to the command, you want to know more about the examples of this get command. You can type man hyphen examples. It will display all the examples. See here I am able to see get hyphen service, get the services on local or remote computer. This command can be used for on local or remote computer. Okay, and the get hyphen service, this command retrieves all of the service on the system. It behaves the to type get hyphen display shows the status and service name and display name of each services. So, and default command. So if you want to get the information about the named services, service name, with the service name you can easily type get hyphen service WMA hash. You can it will show list of the WMA naming services like that. And the third example, this command get hyphen service hyphen display name. If you want to search with the display name, you can search star network star. So all the network related name services will be displayed. And example 4, get hyphen service hyphen name win star. It will show with the name of win. Hyphen exclude means if you want to exclude WinRM, it will exclude the WinRM. If you give win star means it will show all the starting with the win. And example, and the get service you can pipe where object bracket a dollar and status is running, so it will show all the running services. Let's start with the example 1. Example 1, we are able to see like get hyphen service. So it will show I want to verify with WMI. It will show one only one service is running with WMI, so it's showing only one. If you want to verify with network, let's see network, there is no network. So let's see Microsoft. So I'm giving just mic, and so with the Microsoft MIC with the name starting, we have only two services are running, and those are status is stop state. So like this you can verify. Let's go to example 3. So with the display name, so let's type get hyphen service and display name. If you type tab, it will show the argument. And let's have micro. Okay, it shows with Microsoft all the services display name. Basically it's giving a display name. So these are the services are running on this machine, all or stop state. You can verify like this. Okay, let's go to the fifth example. So get hyphen service where object. Okay, you can copy this one, you can right click, so where stop running, so it will show only running services. So all are running services. If you want to verify with stop state, you can change the parameter. So stop, press enter, all the stopped services will be displaying. You can verify that way. with this. Okay, and let's go with another command examples. Suppose we have verified third and fourth and fifth. Let's verify sixth. Okay, sixth and seventh will verify. Okay, okay, let's get hyphen service and hyphen computer. If you are having a remote computer, you can type remote computer name and local. I'm using local machine, sorry, not local machine, local host. It will check the local machine. So if you have any machine is available on your network, you can simply you can use that one. You can use the IP address. So I'm going to power on the one of the machine. Let's see, like that. Instead of a computer name, you can give the machine name 01. If you want to give three servers, three machines, you can give machine 02, comma machine 03. Like that, you can give a number of machines in the network. Okay, so you can get the information with the IP address also. If you want to give, you can give the IP address. Let's see of the IP address of this machine. Or else you can do one thing before going to check the IP address of the machine. You can type ipconfig is the default command. Previously, we can use this command in the command prompt. Same command can be used ipconfig, so it will show you the IP address of the machine. Now it's a 0.106 is the IP address is assigned to this machine. Hmm. You can give this IP address also 192.168.0.106, so it will show all the running services on this IP address. Like that, you can verify on remote machines as well. See, it's a 2.12. Let's verify if it's working or not. 2.2.12. This is a remote computer on the network. We can simply get the information from remotely also. One thing, why it is not giving the display means that's the workstation and domain model, and we are in the local workstation. So from here, authentication is the main important. There will be another parameters will be there to authenticate that workstation. So I'll show you in the examples. Okay, let's quit this one. Let's see whether its workstation is power on. Okay, let's go. Let's cd slash and cls and get hyphen service and examples. Sorry, man man get service hyphen examples. So we are verifying the parameters here. Remote computer where I use hyphen computer, and example 7 is a get hyphen service where object is dependent services. We can give the dependent services if any properties we need to verify on each service, and you can give and get hyphen service. Yes, star, you can give the any letter you want to display with the naming uh, convention. If you want to verify with starting with A star means it will show all the running and stop state services with the starting with A letter. So it is example this one. Sort object status, it will be sort. And the next one, um, descending also, status is descending, so you can verify running first and after that stop. And the next one, you can have a multiple workstations information, get hyphen service hyphen name winrm and hyphen computer local host comma server 01 server 02, like that you can give the name, workstation names, and hyphen format table format, so it will display like this: the machine name, status, name and display name, like that. And the 10th example, winrm hyphen required services. So required services, this command gets the services that winrm service requires. So it will verify the value of the services dependent on the property of services, whether it is required, any options are selected or not. And you can verify with the service name hyphen get service, it will display. This command gets the winrm service on the local computer. This example shows that you can pipe a string to enclose the quotation marks to get a service, like that. So you can type here like win rm quotations and close hyphen pipe get hyphen service. You can verify like this. So you can verify with the name. Uh, you can verify with the Microsoft. Let's see. Yeah, it's showing two services starting with Microsoft, so it is displaying with the name. You can verify. And uh, please watch next video. So I'm going to show you more on process and get hyphen process command, so how the process, and on help commands and have examples of that service. um, right now we have verified and learned on get hyphen service. So next video I'm going to show you get hyphen process, so you'll get more information on processes, on which services are services running on machine we have verified. Next video will be showing about get hyphen process, so which process are running on the machine, how to verify and how to stop, and everything will be continued in next video. Please, if you like this video, click on like button, and please click on subscribe button, and do not miss clicking on bell icon. So if I upload a video, it will get alert to you to watch. Thanks for watching once again. Bye bye.